Hi there, Brian here from Pyrex again. This time I'm doing an update video, and it's on the harvest pattern. The harvest pattern with the really cool mid-century vegetables. And this is all the items I have in the harvest pattern here, and these two down here. So, and we did a video on this before, and at that point I talked about the things I was missing in my harvest collection, and I also talked about some of the really rare things that I've seen on the internet before, but I've never seen in person. And one of those were plates. So I saw plates, 10-inch, 8-inch, and 6-inch plates. Picture of stacks of those. I also saw some broad-rimmed bowls, the sort of shallow bowls, but have a rim on them. Saw some of those in the harvest pattern in a photograph. But I've also recently saw, that I never saw before, is a gravy boat in the harvest pattern. So I wanted to mention that. And I learned something completely new that I had never noticed before. And that JAJ also produced a smaller size of the Easy Grip casserole, which is a 1 pint size. This is a 3 pint, that's a 2 pint. And there's also a 1 pint one. I didn't know they even did 1 pint in the Junior Space Savers. Did a bit of research, and I have found that they've done that in a few other items too in the early days. So now I'll go and talk about some of the things that I've updated my collection with. Well, two things. First of all, I've completed my collection of Junior Space Savers here by getting the smallest one finally. And got that just before Christmas when our lockdown was eased up for a while and some of the charity shops were open. And I got a chance to get in around them. I was happy to find that one for £1. So that's really neat. The other thing is, and this is part of the video, is going to be, and I mentioned before, the 1 pint Easy Grip casserole, and I just, weird coincidence, I went online and saw one for sale. So I followed it, and there didn't seem to be a lot of interest on it on the auction site, so I put a bid in it, and I won it. Very, very happy, and I haven't opened it yet. It came the other day. I saved it to do this video, so I'm going to open it now. We'll see what it's like. I'm still skeptical whether it even exists. Let me see here. Can we get into this? We'll try and just get into one maybe. Oh good, that's open. Alright. Looks like there's some paper there. Now, newspaper. Okay. There, Mackie's here to help me. Move down here. Will that come out? Yeah. Okay. Bubble wrap. Mackie, love your bubble wrap. Here. There you are, boy. You can have that. Now, what's this? Now, hopefully it's not damaged in any way. Had that happen before. Oh, look. There's the lid. And sure enough, it looks smaller. And in good condition too. Yeah, as described, they said it was no chips or anything in it. And look, it's smaller. And here's a little 8-ounce one here. See, that it's in between. Now let's see if I can get into it. There you are. You can have that. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Okay. Look at that. Now, here we are here. I don't see any chips. Not even any staining or anything. It's perfect. And that is a 1 pint Easy Grip casserole. They're called Easy Grip. They have these little rounded sort of handles like that. Compared the difference between the Easy Grip and the standard, I call these standard casseroles, because the handles are square. That's a 1 pinter there as well. So, there you are. A couple new updates on the harvest and a little bit of more information on some of the rarer items you can get in that pattern. Look at this. This is the tower of Easy Grip casseroles now in the harvest. Thanks a lot.